So some of you are possibly wondering about a retake of your test. And yes, retakes are an option at the high school, and I have gone over some of the information already, but now maybe it's a little bit more pertinent or relative to you because you saw how you did on your test, or you realized that you didn't understand it as well as you thought. Here's a few things. First of all, a couple of you that are possibly needing a retake, I am not surprised one bit that you didn't do well on your test because I've seen your daily quiz scores. When the daily quiz scores don't go well, you can see like, oh yeah, I guess I didn't understand my homework. I didn't take the notes even though I should have. I just watched the videos or just didn't pay attention. And I don't know if your assignments were done or if you showed any work and checked your assignments. Maybe you did your assignments, but you never looked them up in the back, so you were doing them all wrong anyway. So, surprise, surprise, the test didn't go so well, but maybe some of you did all that and the test still didn't go well, and you need a better chance, a better shot at it. It's not okay to just come in and say, okay, I'm going to try that again. I'm ready for my test. No, there's a list of things. Number one, I have your notebook packet, or I collected it before the test. It has to be a 40 out of 40 before you can retake a test. If you didn't do the practice and the problems, then you were not prepared for the test in the first place. So that's first. Number two, I need to go back through your notebook. Don't rip them all out, but I need to see your notes. Did you take notes on section 1.1, 1.2, 1.3? And if they are not done, then you're going to have to go back, watch the videos, and take the notes. Literally write them down as if you were sitting in class. Hopefully they're already there and you're not behind, but that would be a requirement of being prepared for a test in the first place, let alone a second chance at a test. Number three, we will look at those daily quizzes and go back and evaluate what you did wrong on each one of them, probably problem by problem. To do that, that part of getting caught up and being prepared for a retake has to be done face-to-face. So you have options: 2 RTIs a week that you're available for, whether it's Monday, Thursday, or Tuesday, Friday group. You need to come into my RTI, and we'd open up your daily quizzes, take a look at them, go through them step by step, make corrections on the ones you got wrong, and you would also have to do the same with the test that you took in the first place. Let's go back, let's discuss it, let's talk about the ones that you got wrong. So once that's all done, you've got 40 out of 40 in your notebook, your notes are all taken and in your notebook somewhere that I can go through and look them over. You've gone back over your daily quizzes, learned from your mistakes on the test, meeting with me, then you're ready for a retake. So my advice, don't put yourself in this hole again for the next chapter. Please prepare better and know what to expect on a geometry test. If RTI should work for you, if it doesn't, or if it's not enough time, I'm here every morning at 7:30. So that would be almost about a 20-25 minute window before class started at 7:30. And if needed, you could check in with me and ask, okay, let's meet an RTI, or just immediately after, maybe you can stay till 3:30 because your practice doesn't start till later, or because you can get a ride home. So we've got 15-20 minute RTIs, 20-25 minutes before school and after school, as long as I know ahead of time when you're coming. But definitely face-to-face to go over and learn those mistakes. But outside of class, you can do anything possible to prepare yourself with the notes and the assignments in the notebook packet. So if you have more questions after hearing this video, don't be afraid to ask. I'll clarify it for you. Come see me or email me when you know what your plan is.